Okay everybody, welcome back, especially noobs. So I'm going to create a class here, very simple, and I'm going to call it my class. Okay, and we're going to type in message 1 is equal to hello. Okay, message 2 is equal to how. Message 3 is equal to are. Message 4 is equal to you. Okay, right, we're going to group all the messages together, and I'm going to use a variable like this. All messages are equal to message 1. Just going to join them together like this, and let's have a look. That's not going to fit on the screen, so I'm just going to do... will it fit on the screen or not? I don't think so, but let's try it. So this is going to be message 2, and we're going to get message 3. So, okay, message 3, and we might just do it. Yeah, that's going to be tight squeeze. 4. Okay, message 4. They're all joined together there, and we put these here to give it a little bit of a gap when it prints it off. Okay, so let's let's drag this along here. Oh, can't seem to do anything there. Okay, so let's go back here. What's happened there? Let's try to okay, I can't see anything on the taskbar to drag it back, so we know what I'm talking about here. So I'm just going to do it up to message 3, so we're going to knock out message 4. How are? Okay, so we're just going to do that. So what we're going to do now is we're going to put my class here. My class is equal to my class. Okay, I'm just going to drop that down one a little bit there to make it look better. Okay, and then we're going to print. It's going to be my class dot all messages. In fact, to make that look better, we're just going to just say here the message is going to be X, Y, and Z. Okay, so we're just going to save that, and I'm going to run the class. So here we go. So there you've got it. We've printed out X, Y, and Z from within that class. So there you go. Bob's your uncle, and Fanny is your auntie, and I'll see you again in another video. Bye-bye.